Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you another poncha design. Here I take a piece of fabric. The length of this fabric is same as the poncha's length and the width is about 4 inch. Place the fabric on poncha and pin it. Now I am going to draw a zigzag line. Do a top stitch following these zigzag mark. Cut the inner fabric and turn the right side out. Now I am going to hem the fabric that I used to make a zigzag, attaching this tissue fabric. The width of this fabric is about 3.5 inch and the length is according to the poncha. Take another 2 pieces of fabric like this. The width of this fabric is about 5 inch. Now attach these 2 pieces of fabric at the bottom of the tissue fabric like this. To complete the poncha design, hem the bottom of the poncha and do the side seam. This is the finished look of the poncha design. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative video. Thanks for watching.